elegant suite situated in an amazing neighborhood. Spacious room which can easily fit 2 people comfortably. Highlight has to be the location as it's close to so many bars and restaurants ranging from budget to Michelin star. My overall summary is: bed, 5/5, large bed comfy enough to sleep 2 and get a great night's sleep. Attractions close by, 5/5, too many great restaurants and bars to name. Value for money, based on location and space, don't think you can get a better suite than this. Facilities, you have access to an outdoor sitting area and other amenities such as coffee, tea, etc. Exceptional terrazza is wonderful. Staff is kind and very helpful. Location is quiet, nice, and near to everything. Supermarket, pharmacy, cafe, restaurants, Trasteverias, heart. Beautiful stay in a nice neighborhood. We had a very pleasant stay at Terrazza Munira. It was clean, the bed was good, the room was spacious and beautiful. The only things that didn't fit the description were, there wasn't a jacuzzi and no Italian breakfast.